Realme Neo 7 is here, and it's making waves in the smartphone world with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, cutting-edge gaming performance, and IP69 durability. But is it just hype, or does it truly deliver? In this video, we'll dive deep into its sleek design, incredible battery life, gaming capabilities, and much more. Stick around to find out if the Realme Neo 7 is the perfect flagship for you. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. If you're passionate about smartphones and enjoy in-depth tech reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Let's dive right into the Realme Neo 7. The Realme Neo 7 sets a new standard for flagship design. The first thing you notice is how sleek and lightweight it feels. Especially for a phone housing a massive 7,000 mAh battery, Realme has achieved an engineering marvel by keeping the thickness at just 8.5 millimeters and the weight at 215.2 grams. When you hold the Neo 7, it feels comfortable and premium. The silver color variant I tested features a back panel adorned with subtle geometric patterns that shimmer beautifully under different lighting conditions. These patterns blend seamlessly with the camera module, giving the phone a unified and elegant look. The back panel also has a slight curvature, which adds to its ergonomic design, making it easy to hold for extended periods. Despite the plastic frame, the phone feels solid and durable. While some may prefer an aluminum frame for a more premium feel, the choice of plastic helps keep the weight manageable. Moreover, most users, myself included, tend to use protective cases, so the material choice doesn't significantly impact the overall experience. Realme has paid attention to every detail, including the placement of buttons, which are tactile and easy to reach. Overall, the Neo 7's design strikes an ideal balance between aesthetics and functionality, making it a standout in its segment. The Realme Neo 7's 7,000 mAh battery is its crown jewel, redefining expectations for smartphone endurance. For context, most flagship phones come with batteries in the 4,500 to 5,000 mAh range. Realme's decision to go above and beyond ensures this phone can keep up with even the most demanding users. During my testing, the battery consistently delivered exceptional performance. On a typical day, which included browsing, social media, video streaming, and light gaming, the phone lasted from midnight to 2 a.m. the following day, with about 45% battery remaining after 5 hours of screen time. On lighter usage days, it comfortably stretched to 2 full days, ending with around 20% charge left. For gamers, the Neo 7 is a game changer. I tested 3 graphically demanding games: Genshin Impact, Xingti, and Wangjie. After 1 hour of Genshin Impact, the battery dropped from 100% to 86%, which is impressive given the intensity of the game. Playing Xingti for another hour brought it down to 55%, and after a third hour with Wangjie, it still had 40% remaining. This kind of endurance is rare and sets the Neo 7 apart from its competitors. Fast charging is another highlight. With its 80-watt charging capability, the phone charges from 0 to 100% in just about an hour. Whether you're topping up overnight or during a quick break, the Neo 7 ensures you're always powered up and ready to go. Gaming performance, a powerhouse for gamers. Gaming enthusiasts will find a lot to love in the Realme Neo 7. Powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, this phone delivers top-tier performance even under the most demanding conditions. I tested the Neo 7 with various games, including Genshin Impact, PUBG, and Call of Duty Mobile, all set to maximum graphics settings. The experience was nothing short of phenomenal. Frame rates remained steady, even during intense battles and graphically rich environments. The phone's cooling system also deserves praise, as it managed to keep the device cool even after hours of gameplay. The Dimensity 9300 Plus not only ensures smooth gameplay, but also optimizes power efficiency, extending battery life during long gaming sessions. Compared to last year's flagship models, the Neo 7's performance is a significant leap forward, making it a top choice for mobile gamers. The Realme Neo 7 features a stunning 6.78-inch BOE S-Series display that sets it apart in its price range. With a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, the screen remains clearly visible even in harsh sunlight. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or scrolling through social media, the display delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. The screen supports a high refresh rate, making animations and transitions buttery smooth. This is especially noticeable when playing fast-paced games or navigating through the UI. Eye protection features are also included, reducing strain during extended use. After hours of testing, I didn't experience any discomfort, which speaks volumes about the quality of the display. Durability is a key area where the Realme Neo 7 excels. With an IP69 certification, it offers the highest level of protection against dust and water. Unlike the more common IP68 rating, the Neo 7 can withstand high-pressure water jets and hot water exposure. This means it's not just resistant to accidental spills, but also capable of handling tougher conditions, such as rinsing under warm water. This level of durability is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts or users who work in challenging environments. Whether you're caught in the rain or dealing with dusty conditions, the Neo 7 is designed to handle it all. Realme has packed the Neo 7 with a host of additional features that enhance its overall usability. 1. Navigation and connectivity. The phone supports dual-screen GPS and triple-screen Beidou navigation, ensuring accurate location tracking even in remote areas. NFC functionality enables seamless contactless payments, while the infrared remote control allows you to manage household devices like TVs and air conditioners. Number 2. Audio and vibration. High-quality stereo speakers deliver immersive sound, perfect for gaming or watching movies. The powerful vibration motor adds a tactile dimension to notifications and gameplay. 3. Software experience. Running on the latest version of Realme UI, the software is intuitive and responsive. Animations are smooth, transitions are fluid, and the system feels stable even under heavy usage. The UI also offers extensive customization options, allowing users to tailor their experience. The Realme Neo 7 is priced competitively, starting at 2099 yuan, £227 in the UK and $290 in the US. For a phone offering flagship-level features like a 7,000 mAh battery, Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, IP69 certification, and a stunning display, this pricing represents excellent value. Conclusion: a new benchmark for flagship smartphones. The Realme Neo 7 is a testament to how far smartphone technology has come. It combines sleek design, exceptional battery life, powerful performance, and unmatched durability, making it one of the most well-rounded devices on the market. Whether you're a gamer, a power user, or someone who values a reliable phone with long-lasting battery life, the Neo 7 delivers. To create a 2,500-word review, we will expand each section of the Realme Neo 7 review, including more details, examples, and comparisons. Here's the rewritten and extended review. Realme Neo 7 launches today. Full review. Realme has launched the highly anticipated Neo 7, a flagship smartphone that promises to revolutionize the market